Hello everyone, this is Varsha from Character Education. So today I will be discussing some of the questions based on comparison of irrational number. Whenever you have been given two or more irrational number, then how to compare them. Suppose I have taken one question on the basis of this topic, and my question is you have to compare cube root of 4 and cube root of 3. Sorry, this is square root. Okay, so if you have to compare these two numbers, then how will you compare? Since both of them are irrational number, right? So we can write this cube root of 4 as 4 raised to power 1 by 3, and square root of 3 can be written as 3 raised to power 1 by 2. Now we can see that both these irrational number are having the power different. Okay, so whenever you have to compare the irrational number, so you have to make the power of each pair of the numbers same, and then we need to compare the numbers. Since the power are different, right? 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So we have to make the power same. So here we can change them into like fraction, and then we will compare. If you want to change the like fraction, if you want to change the power into like fractions, and then what we have to do? First we have to find the LCM of denominator, right? We have 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So we will find the denominator, LCM of denominator first. So that will be 6, right? So 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 2 will give us 2 by 6. In the same way, 1 by 2 multiplied with 3 by 3 will give us 3 by 6, right? So in this 4 raised to power 1 by 3, we can write it as 4 raised to power 2 by 6, because 1 by 3, this 2 by 6 is equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. Now this fraction we can write it as 4 square raised to power 1 by 6. We are using the exponents law. Multiple power will be multiplied and give us the same thing. Okay, so this further it can be simplified as 16 raised to power 1 by 6. This all I am doing to make the power same. Now the second number, which is root 3, it can be written as 3 raised to power 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 6, because 3 by 6 is one of the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. So further we can simplify it as 3 cube raised to power 1 by 6, which will give us 27 raised to power 1 by 6. Correct? 27 raised to power 1 by 6. Now we have these two numbers, both the given numbers have been converted into such an irrational number which are having the same power. So we can directly compare them. So out of this 16 1 raised to power 6 and 27 raised to power 1 by 6, out of this, which one is greater? Right? So once you will make the power equal, you can easily compare the irrational number. In the same way, one more question I have taken, in which I have taken 3 root 2 and 2 root 3. Okay, so to compare such numbers, what we have to do first is you have to take this 3 inside the root, this 2 inside the root. Then only we can say that the power is same, right? So this 3 root 2 can be written as 3 into root 2, and if you will take this inside, it will be like 2 into 3 square, right? So we will write here as root 18, and root 18 can be written as 18 raised to power 1 by 2. In the same way, this 2 root 3, we can write it as 2 into root 3, correct? Now again we have to take this inside the root, so we have to write it as 3 into 2 square, which will give us root 12, and root 12 can be written as 12 root to power 12 to the power 1 by 2. Now we can see that in both of the numbers power are same, so we can directly compare them with the basis. So 18 raised to power 1 by 2 will be greater than 12 raised to power 1 by 2. correct? So in this way you need to compare the irrational number. So what is the main thing? You need to make the power or index same in both of the numbers, then you can directly just compare the base, and the base which is greater, that will be the greatest irrational number among those rational irrational numbers. Hope you will like the videos. Thanks for watching the video.